Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. And today, looking forward to sharing with you about setting up a vlog setup for your GoPro Hero 7 Black. I have owned it now for a couple of months thereabout. I got it shortly after it came out and absolutely loving it. I primarily use my GoPro Hero 7 Black for my hikes and my hyperlapse videos, mostly action stuff. And I also have used my Google Pixel 2 XL for a lot of videos, but now that I've got the GoPro Hero 7 and I've got extra batteries, I want to start using it more. It really takes great video, but I also wanted to make sure to have great sound and great lighting. So first I came across Hiker Jay's video and then Jevin Dovey's video, and the combination of their two videos helped me create this setup, which is real nice. I already had owned the Rode Video Micro mic, which a lot of people like, and I just invested in the Canon M50, which I'm shooting this video with. But it's nice to have something that I could take on the go that's more rugged, and this microphone would be perfect. There are other types of microphones that you could set up, and you'll probably see other people's setups as well, but this is my setup right now, and really just love just some of the new additions that I picked up and to create this nice clean setup. I will put a link where you can get all the information and the links on all these products. So we'll dive in one at a time, and then I'll demonstrate with the lighting, the LED lighting in a lower lit environment so you can see that. So let's first talk about, we'll start at the bottom. We'll talk about this iGadgets handle. This is the packaging. It's a mini universal table tripod with grip. There is a cap inside there that was screwed on the top of the handle, and it's real nice. It's a really nice piece. It's got 360-degree head movement, locks in place, built-in spirit level, textured grip, universal fitting, 1/4 inch screw, tabletop portable, light, and it's lightweight. Max weight 1.5 kilograms. So there you go, a little bit of information there. So it is nice. One, it does sit on the table very well, as you can see here, but it's got this really nice ribbed, textured, rubberized material. And then it's got like a leveler there, and then it's got this latch. When you undo the latch, you could rotate the handle. And what's nice is, where I'm finding if I were to, when I'm vlogging, if I hold this more at an angle, it's a little bit easier than having it upright. So I like that angle. And then it stays locked in place. So they've really done a really nice job with this piece. I mean, this is awesome, this handle. And I've used some other handles. This is the best one that I've come across. So glad I learned this one from Jevin Dovey. So that is big thumbs up. So that is that. Now we're talking about the housing or the caging, the cage, I guess you would call it. So the cage, it's an aluminum alloy protective cage. It's good for the GoPro Hero 7 Black, the 6 and the 5. And this is what it looked like when it originally came in the packaging. This is what it looks like now. I had to do some surgery. This, by the way, is by a company called Pelouse. Let me show you here a few things. Now, this is the piece that I had to do surgery. I had to remove it, and I had to unscrew it and pull it off. And so it had like a lens cover. Don't really need it. And it was also getting in the way for my cold shoe adapter for the light piece. So once I removed it, it would seem like it was fine. Also comes with this nice little bag. Don't know when I'll ever use it. Maybe I can put some other stuff in there. And then it comes with this piece as well for your GoPro. So the other nice thing that I do like about the cage is on the back, and you'll see, I'll talk about the Velcro. It has a door that slides up. Now you've got this silver piece, so it keeps the GoPro from locking and staying in place. But what it does has is a safety net. It's got this door. Let me see if I can pull it on and put it back. So this is what the door looks like. And let me make sure I can slide it back in. It's got this little piece also, you can see there, it's got a little hole so it stays in there. And again, it keeps the GoPro Hero from falling out. And then this should just slide. I had a little problem getting that in before, but let me try it again. All right, I think I got it this time. I did. So there you go. You could see the back. Now, I did also get Velcro for the GoPro adapter for the audio. And what I like about this Velcro is that it's a lock Velcro, and I'll put a link for the Velcro as well. So you could see that, well, that just popped off, but I just have to work, I guess, the stickiness kind of, it should stay on. I've been taking it on and off, but there you can see it locks in place perfectly. I might just have to put a new piece up there. So that is locked back there, and it's nice and clean. I don't have to wrap anything. And then I just tie this like that, and now I'm good to go. Now, on top of the cage, it does come with a cold shoe adapter, and then I had to buy these additional 2 pieces, which are these 2 additional pieces, and it's called the hot shoe with the screw adapter. So without those 2 pieces, the microphone was too low, and what would happen otherwise is that the Rode microphone, part of it would get in the vision of the video. So this being higher up, it stays out of the way. You don't have to worry about the microphone being in the way, and you're still picking up the audio. So that was a big plus. Initially, when I saw Jevin's video, and I was missing a piece of it, so I wrote to him. I said, "Am I missing something?" He goes, "Yes," and he said I was the first person that noticed that. And he's got about 35,000 views on that video, I think, thereabouts. So this is perfect. Then, of course, you need the GoPro adapter so you can do and use the audio and the microphone. And obviously there are a lot of microphones out there that you can get, but this one is a good one. And then, of course, I could take the wind piece off, and you could see the setup without it. It's got the bracket here that gives you the flexibility. What they call that, I forgot what they call that, but it's got the shock. It allows for the shock there. So last but not least, and which is also really nice for the GoPro for low lighting, is you got this LED video light. It's the mini LED video light. It's got 49 LEDs. Let me show you the back. It does take 2 AA batteries. So I've got a very fast rechargeable Energizer batteries. So you got 2 AA batteries, and then you have this switch which adjusts the brightness. So you can turn it on, and look how bright that gets. Whew, bright in the face. So that is the setup. Now, what I want to do, I'm going to turn my GoPro Hero 7 on, and I'm going to shoot a video in a low light so you can see that. Now, what's nice too is if you need to get to your back of your screen with the setup, you could just pull the adapter off, or you can even work around it. You could see I've got it still connected to the Velcro, and I really do like this lock Velcro. It's so much better than some of the other Velcro. It's not noisy, but I have room to get to the back of the GoPro Hero 7. So let me go ahead and turn the lighting on, and let me go ahead and start recording, and then I'll walk around. And one of the nice things as well with the GoPro Hero 7, and because you can't see your screen, you've got a nice wide angle, and I think I have it on linear, but we'll walk around anyway with this setup. So I'm going to get up, and now I am in low lighting. Let me just show you here. You can see my setup back there, and this is full brightness, so that is very bright. And then of course I could readjust accordingly. And then of course I got the microphone. It gives you ability to see the stability, and a great way for vlogging, doing videos, and you don't have to worry about, if you don't want to do much as far as editing with the audio, you got the microphone set up. So that is the audio. So, and the low light setup with the GoPro Hero 7 camera. All right, so now we're back. So this will give you an idea of my setup. It seems like it's going to work really well. Really excited to see what your thoughts are, what you're using. And again, you can click on the link where you get more information about ordering these parts, putting together yourself a nice vlogging setup, and just shooting videos in general. You can really have a lot of fun with this setup, and this works perfectly. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. And Hiker Jay and Jevin, thank you so much for your videos as allowed me to put this together. Take care. Thanks for watching.